Is your house a constant battleground against clutter? Do you feel like you spend your entire weekend cleaning, only for the mess to creep back in by Monday? What if I told you that just 10 minutes a day could completely transform your home and your life? Stick around, because I'm about to introduce you to the 10-minute Tidy Challenge, the simple, sustainable habit that will give you back your space and your sanity. Ready to change your relationship with cleaning forever? Let's dive in. The concept is incredibly simple. You set a timer for 10 minutes. And for those 10 minutes, you clean, tidy, or organize with focused, uninterrupted energy. That's it. No marathon cleaning sessions, no overwhelming to-do lists, just 10 minutes. The magic isn't in one single 10-minute burst. It's in the consistency of doing it every single day. So, why does this work so well? It's all about psychology. A huge, messy room feels impossible to tackle. The sheer scale of it paralyzes us, and we end up doing nothing at all. This is called task aversion. But anyone can do something for just 10 minutes, right? It's a low-commitment, high-reward activity. The small, achievable goal bypasses our brain's resistance to starting. Once you start, you build momentum, and that momentum is what creates lasting change. Think of it like this. You wouldn't try to run a marathon on your first day of training. You'd start with a 10-minute jog. This is the 10-minute jog for your home. Let's break down how to make this challenge work for you. The first step is to pick your time. When can you consistently carve out 10 minutes? For me, it's right after I finish my morning coffee. My energy is high, and it sets a positive, productive tone for the rest of my day. Maybe for you, it's during your lunch break while working from home, or right when you walk in the door after work to reset the space. Or perhaps it's your wind-down routine right before bed, ensuring you wake up to a calmer environment. The key is to link this new habit to an existing one. Habit stacking, as it's called, makes it much more likely to stick. So, after you brush your teeth, you do your 10-minute tidy. Before you watch your favorite show, 10-minute tidy. Find what works for your schedule and commit to it. The second step is to have a plan, but keep it flexible. You don't want to waste your precious 10 minutes deciding what to do. I like to use a zone system. Monday might be the kitchen counter. Tuesday, the entryway. Wednesday, the coffee table and living room floor. This way, you rotate through your home's hotspots, those areas where clutter tends to accumulate the most. You're not deep cleaning the entire zone, you're just doing a surface-level reset. Let me give you a real-life example. Let's tackle the kitchen counter, a classic clutter magnet. I'll set a timer for 10 minutes. Let's go. First, I grab a basket. This is my secret weapon. Anything that doesn't belong in the kitchen goes into the basket. Mail, my kids' school papers, car keys, a random book. I'm not organizing this stuff now. I'm just getting it off the counter. That probably took 1 minute. Next, I'll quickly put away the items that do belong here but are out of place. The jar of peanut butter, the salt shaker, the olive oil. Another minute gone. Now the counter is clear. I grab a spray bottle and a cloth and give it a quick wipe down. That's maybe 2 more minutes. So 4 minutes have passed and the counter already looks 1,000 times better. With my remaining 6 minutes, I can either tackle another small task or go deeper. I see the sink has a few dishes. I'll quickly load them into the dishwasher. That's another 3 minutes. Now I have 3 minutes left. What can I do? I'll take that basket of miscellaneous items and spend the last few minutes putting everything back where it belongs. The mail goes on my desk. The keys go on their hook. The book goes back on the bookshelf. And time's up. Look at that. In just 10 minutes, the kitchen has been completely reset. It feels calmer, more functional, and it was painless. Imagine doing this every day in a different part of your house. By the end of the week, your entire home will feel significantly tidier without you ever feeling overwhelmed. Let's talk about another common problem area, the bedroom chair. You know, the one it's supposed to be for sitting, but it's become a mountain of clothes that are not dirty enough for the laundry, but not clean enough to go back in the closet. Let's apply the 10-minute tidy. Set the timer. For the first 5 minutes, your only goal is to sort the pile. Make 3 new piles on your bed. Put away, put in the laundry, or needs mending. Go. Don't overthink it. Just sort. Once the chair is clear, use the next 5 minutes to execute. Put the clean clothes back in the closet or drawers. Take the laundry pile directly to the hamper. Place the mending item with your sewing kit. Boom. In 10 minutes, you've reclaimed a piece of furniture and dealt with that nagging pile of indecision. It's not about perfection. It's about progress. This challenge has a wonderful ripple effect. When your environment is tidy, your mind feels clearer. You reduce visual stress, which can genuinely lower your anxiety levels. You'll also find that you're more likely to keep things tidy. It's much easier to put 1 cup in the dishwasher when the sink is empty than it is to add it to a teetering pile. The 10-minute tidy creates a baseline of order that you'll naturally want to maintain. Furthermore, it involves the whole family. This isn't just a chore for one person. Make it a family activity. Put on some fun, upbeat music and have everyone tackle their own space for 10 minutes. The kids can tidy their toys. Your partner can sort the mail and entryway. It teaches responsibility and teamwork, and it lightens the load for everyone. 10 minutes of focused family effort can achieve an incredible amount. It turns a dreaded chore into a shared, positive routine. So, are you ready to take the challenge? Here's your mission, should you choose to accept it. For the next 7 days, commit to 1 10-minute tidy session every single day. Pick your time, pick your zone for each day, and set that timer. Don't aim for perfection. Just aim for completion. Put things away. Wipe a surface. Clear a floor. Document your progress. Take a before photo on day 1 and an after photo on day 7. I promise you, the difference will be astounding, not just in your home, but in how you feel. You'll feel more in control, more relaxed, and more proud of your space. This small habit has the power to create a massive shift in your daily life. It's about building a sustainable system for order rather than relying on bursts of motivation that quickly fade. It's about reclaiming your home as a place of peace and relaxation, not a source of stress. I am so excited for you to try this. Let me know in the comments below what your biggest clutter hotspot is, and when you plan to do your 10-minute tidy. I'd love to cheer you on. And if you found this video helpful and are ready to transform your home one small step at a time, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who needs this, and do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do not miss our next video. Thank you so much for watching, and happy tidying.